absolutely love. But I do have one already on my front door, which I do love. But this is so beautiful. This is from the Martha Stewart brand. Let me see how much it is. Ah, 29.99. That is beautiful. Look at all this beauty. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this at the front door. Gorgeous. Absolutely love this. Those are really nice too. These ones with the fruits on there. I would really like, whoops, really like these. Oh, this is fun. 34.99. These are really fun. But with the oranges though, perfect for summer. Do you know what? I absolutely love this. This is beautiful. And even this one. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. These plates. Oh my goodness, friends. These plates are so pretty. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous are these plates? I need to stop purchasing plates. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. All the pastel colors is just making me so happy. I love these. Cups are so pretty. These teacups with the letter S for Sheena, of course. Florals galore. Even some spilling over on the floor. Look at all these beautiful florals. Oh my goodness, friends. What a beauty this is. Imagine this for summer on my patio table. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. So, so pretty. And the price, 49.99. I absolutely love that. So, so pretty. I love like lemon yellow. It's just such a pretty color. But anyways, moving on. I love this setup right here. It is so gorgeous. Now I think I might treat myself to these. These are so lovely. Oh my goodness. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, they have them in this other color too. Oh my gosh, friends. I think I might treat myself to one of these. How gorgeous. But which color? You know what? These always get me. These marble. I absolutely love marble. Look at this gorgeous green color. Oh my gosh. This is just so beautiful. Do you see that green? It is absolutely lovely. Oh my gosh, I love these. How fun are these wine glasses? Just so pretty. Look at the detail on here. I absolutely love this. They're so pretty. Perfect for spring, summer. Whoops. 7.99. Not bad. I absolutely love those. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, I came here at the right time. It's like 1:30. So everyone is at work, I'm guessing. And of course, I cannot come to HomeGoods. Oh my gosh, they have my favorite. I'm gonna grab one of these. I love these candles, especially like spring, summer. This pure linen. Oh my goodness, it is my favorite. So I'm gonna put a few. Actually, are they? Oh, 12.99. So I might grab two of them. I absolutely love these. They're just such a fresh, clean scent, and I absolutely love purchasing them. Lemony scent here. I love lemon candles, especially like, oh, oh, it's the same brand. Okay. So I love like lemon candles, especially in the kitchen area, the dining room area. So lovely. I don't like this lemon scent, which is quite shocking. Whoops. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is from Martha Stewart. Let's see the price. Looks like it was 14.99. But let's do a little smell test. I smell nothing. It doesn't have a scent. But how cute. It is gorgeous. Friends, these lamps are so gorgeous. This is where I did purchase my beautiful lamps, those big white ones. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I love the floral design on here. Let's see the price. 59.99 is not bad. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're so heavy. Absolutely beautiful lamps. Look at this base. How pretty is that? Look at that design. This would be perfect in my dining room on my credenza. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love those. And they do have two. You know, home goods usually don't have two of the same thing. It's kind of rare, especially when something that you really, really want. You can't find a two of the same thing. But these are really beautiful. I love those. Friends, look at these beautiful ottomans. How gorgeous are these? My goodness, this color, the pattern, the design is absolutely lovely. Oh my gosh, I love these. Let's see how much are they? 129. These are so nice. Oh my gosh. Does it have storage? Oh my gosh, it does have storage, which is just perfect. Friends, oh my goodness. I did not know that they have these in the blue also. These are just so gorge. I wish they would have them in just one piece and not the two. Because for the one piece, you usually pay 129. But you know, they have two here. And one piece is 129 per piece. That's too much, at least for me. But these are gorgeous, absolutely lovely, and I love that design on them. They're so lovely. So, friends, as you can see, I am back home, and I did pick up a few little cuties from Home Goods, and I do want to share them with you. So, let's get started with that. So, friends, first up from Home Goods are beautiful, ooh, these beautiful lampshade. I know I do have it seems like I do have an obsession with lampshades at the moment, but how beautiful are these? I love floral pattern, especially during the spring and summer season. It's just, I feel like florals just signifies spring and summer for me. And I saw these and I absolutely fell in love. I love the hints of blue along with the green. And I do have some really beautiful pillow covers, which I'll show you how I'll be styling them up in a minute. But oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. So this is just a little close up of what the lampshades are looking like. I love the ruching detail on these shades. They are just so beautiful. And can I just say, I cannot wait to start styling these up here in my living space with these beautiful color pattern. I absolutely love these. So again, this is just a little close-up detail of what the lampshades are looking like. They are just so gorgeous. So for these beautiful lampshade, I went ahead and I'm going to be bringing back out these beautiful pillow covers. I absolutely love these. These are some of my favorite purchase from Amazon. I just love these pillow covers so much. I know I've been going on and on about them, and I literally do have them in every single pastel colors. That's how much I just love these. But anyways, that's not why we're here. When I saw these beautiful lampshades at Home Goods, this is what I had in mind. And oh my goodness, how beautiful is this combination? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. So it does have the hints of blues in the covers here. Well, in the lampshades, and also this gorgeous and just oh so soft pillow covers. Again, this is what the lampshade is looking like. It is just so beautiful. I know I'm like super up close, but this is what it's looking like. And with these beautiful pillow covers, I think it's just gonna look so beautiful in my living space. And I'm also gonna be bringing out my blue and white chinoiserie pieces as you know, little decorative touches. I think that's just gonna look so lovely when I have it styled up in this living space. I absolutely love this combination. So lovely. All right, so I'm just gonna drape them over the current pillow covers, kind of something like that. And just have these on here, just casually draping them over. All right, so we have this. It's probably going to be a little bit difficult to see the pattern on the lampshades with the, I don't know, the camera, because I do have my daylight bulbs in here. Absolutely love this little thing. It's so easy to switch over like my lampshades and stuff like that, especially if this part right here is different. All right, so we're just gonna pop this over here, kind of like that, and voila. I absolutely, let me just turn this off because it's probably a little hard for you to see because I do have, like I've mentioned, my daylight bulbs in here. But how pretty is this? Oh, I absolutely love this. These blue and floral pattern. For some reason, I'm just so into floral pattern lampshades at the moment. So that's what it's looking like with the daylight bulbs in. And of course, in the evening, I do switch out these to the evening bulbs because they are a lot more cozier. And of course, I'm going to be bringing out my blue and white, my little chinoiserie pieces. And I'm going to be changing out the vase to, I'm going to be using my chinoiserie vase. And also just cute little accessories. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to switch these over. So friends, next up, as you can see here, are these beautiful lemon display full pieces. And oh my gosh, when I saw these, I literally fell in love immediately. These are just so gorgeous. I love decorating with lemons or citrus throughout the summer season. I mean, I feel like nothing signifies summertime for me more than having lots of citrus in my presence, and I just love that so much. These are just so gorgeous. I mean, look how beautiful these are. And I love that the green leaves are not like that really light color green, because I feel like that looks very inexpensive. So I love that these are a very dark color green. The lemons are looking so real. I absolutely love that. These are just so beautiful. So as for these, I do want to have them styled up, whether it's in my dining room. For sure, I'll be doing a yellow theme in my dining room for part of the summer season, or also on my patio. I absolutely love these. As for the bottom, as you can see, it does have that outdoor look. So I am going to be putting these in a kind of like a vase to cover the bottom half. But I just love these. They're just so beautiful. And I think that they'll look absolutely amazing styled up on a table. I just love these so much. So now we're moving on to candles. And I did pick up a few candles from Homegoods. Around this time, they usually bring out some of my favorite scents that I've been using year after year, and I just love them so much. So this is the first one that I just love. So this is the Pure Linen scent, and oh my goodness, I absolutely love this candle so much. Whenever I do smell it, oh my gosh, it just reminds me of summertime. I love this scent so much. So this is what this looking like, just in case you're interested in trying it out when you do have your little trips to Home Goods. I absolutely love this. It's just such a light and fresh scent, and I just love it in the spring and summer season. And this is when they usually bring out this scent. So absolutely love this. Next up, I did found this really beautiful candle. Oh my goodness, look at the jar. I mean, how pretty is this? Oh my gosh, I love the details on the candle, and the scent is equally as beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is very light and just oh so lovely. You know what? When it comes to candles like this, especially the jar, it is hard for me. I usually save the jars. I do have quite a few beautiful candle jars that I've saved and actually been reusing them when I do make my own little homemade candles because I mean, this is just so beautiful. How can you throw this out once the candle is finished? I mean, I just have to hold on to it. It's just so lovely. Again, this is what it's looking like. Absolutely love the detail. It is just so gorgeous. I absolutely I just love the scent. And of course, it is in pink, which goes perfectly with my spring decor. Next up from Homegoods is this beautiful vase. Saw it and absolutely fell in love. As for this, I do want to have it styled up in my primary. At the moment, I do have some live ivy on my nightstand. And unfortunately, they're looking a little bit sad. They've been there since December. And even though I do take them outside periodically to get some sun, some morning sun, they're looking a little bit yellow. Bring them out in the garden for a little vacation for a month or so. And I'm going to have these styled up on my dresser with some beautiful full florals until my ivies rejuvenate. So I absolutely love these and I did pick up two of them. Friends, continuing with the lemon theme. I know I do have an obsession with lemons, but I also did pick up this pack of lemons here. I love, like I mentioned, using lemon as decorative items throughout my home, whether they're real lemons. I usually have real lemons on my counter in my kitchen because I just love enjoying a nice cup, a warm cup of lemon water in the morning. It's just so refreshing and just gives me a really nice boost to start my day. So I absolutely love it. I'm going to be using on my patio, just throw them in a bowl. They look absolutely lovely. So this is what they're looking like up close. So beautiful. And the scent, the aroma is just so lovely in these. So friends, next up, literally the cutest teapot. It is in pink and white and pretty floral flowers. Oh, I just love these. It is just so pretty. I love the pink handles and I love the green and pink combination. Actually, I do have green and pink going on in my downstairs area of my home. I just love this combination. It's just so pretty, so feminine, so girly, and I love everything about that. So this is my new in teapot that I'm absolutely loving. So friends, this is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.